guys, welcome back. Another Christmas piece of jewellery. This one is going to be a little bit kind of boho. I've just got some square leather, which I think is 3mm. I've got some beads, a little heart for the focal point. So it's just really quick and easy. So thread on some beads. So we'll go red, we'll go gold, then green, gold, green, red, gold and green. Then we'll pop our, just got a veil bead and I've attached the heart with the jump ring. Okay, so now we want to go backwards. So we want to go green, gold, red, and then green, gold, and red. So once you've got your beads on, slide them along the leather. You want, I don't know, maybe 12 or 14 inches on either side. Should be plenty. This is intended to be a short necklace, though because it'll have an adjustable slider on it, you can make it, you can have it, wear it longer if you want to. So we're going to start off with this side. We're just going to slide the beads down a little bit. And we're just going to tie a knot. So this is just something really quick and easy that, you don't even need any tools or anything really. Just some wooden beads, bit of leather, something to stick in the middle. So we've got an overhand knot on that side. We want another one on this side. Now you don't want to tie it off so that your beads are way too tight. But the leather will give a bit anyway, so just make sure that they're sitting sort of pretty much as they should, and tie your knot. Now leather's pretty tough, but you will break it when you're trying to tie a knot, so just be aware of how hard you're pulling it. So now bring your ends together, snip it off. And now we want to put our slider on. This is likely to be harder than you think. So I'm just going to cut that on an angle and just squash it a little bit. I'll do the same with the other side. Just a neat little trick to getting your sliders on. Sometimes you need a neat little trick. So we put the leather through that way for this side, and then we go back the opposite way with the other end. So there we go. Just like that. So now we want to stop our slider from coming off, so we just want to tie another knot towards the end of the leather. This leather is always really stiff when you first get it, but after you've worn the piece for a while it tends to soften. Another knot in this side. So, I don't know, I guess this is a bit of a boho kind of Christmas necklace. Okay, you can leave those tails on your leather if you want to. And there we have it. One very boho, very, very easy Christmas necklace to wear on Christmas Day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this quick and easy tutorial. As I said, so easy, no tools required, you know, minimal supplies, and it's something kind of cool to wear on Christmas Day. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like and subscribe and a comment if you can. Much, much appreciated. And I will catch you on the next video. Thanks very much.